Is your iPhone showing the error location access and needed to show weather near you in standby mode? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through quick and easy solutions to fix this issue. Let's dive right into the fixes. Solution 1. Enable location services for weather app. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services, find and tap Weather. Select while using the app or always. Solution 2. Reset location and privacy settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset location and privacy. Confirm by tapping Reset settings. Solution 3. Update your iPhone. Open Settings, tap General, Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After updating, check if the issue is resolved. If there is no update, then just restart your iPhone. Hope that will work. That's how you can fix the location access is needed to show weather near you error in standby mode on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.